In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage text layers in your Canva projects, keeping your designs clean, organized, and visually appealing. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, these simple yet effective steps will help streamline your workflow. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your project open on the screen. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the text element that you wish to modify. This might be a headline, a subheading, or any text box you've added to your design. Hover over the text you want to work with, and you'll see a bounding box or some handles appear around it. If you're having difficulty locating the text, remember you can always use the zoom tool or change your view settings for a better glimpse of all your design elements. Now that you've selected your text, you have a couple of choices on how to proceed. If you decide that this text is no longer necessary for your design, you can delete it quickly. Look for the small trash icon that usually appears in the toolbar above or alongside the selected text. A simple click on this icon will permanently remove the text from your project, making room for you to add new elements or adjust your layout as needed. Be sure that you want to delete it though, as this action cannot be undone. Alternatively, if you want to keep the text but wish to lower its prominence, you can hide it temporarily within your design. Click on the three dots on the toolbar when the text is selected. This will open up additional options where you can manage various aspects of your layers. Here, you'll find a layer option. Select it. Once inside the layer menu, look for the Send to Back function and click it. This action will move your text behind other elements on the canvas, effectively hiding it from view without having to delete it. This approach is particularly useful when you're experimenting with different design layouts, but want to keep certain options available for later use. Understanding how to manipulate your text layers not only keeps your design space tidy, but also allows for more creative flexibility, helping you explore new design ideas without losing any work you've already done. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage text layers in Canva. Whether you're tidying up your current project or strategically layering elements to enhance your design, these tools are at your disposal. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with these features, the more confident you'll become in your design capabilities.